Number 1. Ford Model T, 1908-1927. Imagine a world on the cusp of transformation. A world where personal mobility was a distant dream for most. Then, a single vehicle arrived, shattering the status quo and igniting a revolution. We're talking, of course, about the legendary Ford Model T. Not just a car, but the very machine that put the world on wheels. This wasn't just Henry Ford's dream. It was a testament to his audacious vision. He didn't just want to build cars, he wanted to build affordable cars. Cars for the masses. And how did he achieve this seemingly impossible feat? With an innovation that would forever redefine manufacturing, the moving assembly line. Before the Model T, car production was a painstaking, artisanal process, slow and expensive. Ford's assembly line, however, brought an unprecedented level of efficiency, dramatically slashing production time and, crucially, the cost. Suddenly, mobility wasn't just a luxury reserved for the wealthy elite. The Model T democratized the automobile, making it accessible to the average American family. This wasn't just about getting from point A to point B, it was about opening up new possibilities, new horizons. It meant families could visit relatives further afield, farmers could transport their goods to market more efficiently, and people could explore their own country like never before. It was a tangible symbol of progress. The numbers speak for themselves. With over 15 million units produced during its 19-year run, the Model T's production figures were simply staggering for its time. To put that in perspective, it held the record for the most cars sold in history for over 4 decades. This wasn't just a popular car, it became a cultural phenomenon. It was affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie, or Flivver, entering the popular lexicon and becoming synonymous with the dawn of the automotive age. Beyond its affordability and groundbreaking production, the Model T was remarkably versatile. It wasn't a one-trick pony. You could find it in countless variants, from rugged pickup trucks hauling goods, to elegant touring cars carrying families on Sunday drives, to even modified versions used for farming and other industrial tasks. It was truly a workhorse, adapting to the diverse needs of a rapidly modernizing society. This adaptability cemented its place as a symbol of freedom, ingenuity, and American innovation. So, if you're a collector of classic automobiles, if you appreciate the profound impact a single machine can have on human history, then the Ford Model T isn't just a car. It's the car. It's the one that started it all. It laid the foundation for the entire automotive industry as we know it, shaping our landscapes, our economies, and our way of life. Owning a Model T isn't just owning a piece of automotive history, it's owning a tangible piece of the past that truly put the world on wheels.